Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the U sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The U sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word uống, or at the middle of the word, like vui, or at the end of the word, like thu. Now let's see how to pronounce the U sound. First, tip of your tongue is placed behind the lower teeth. The body of the tongue is down. Raise the back of the tongue very, very high. Tense your tongue and move it back. Open your mouth slightly, like a small, tight circle. Round the lips and make them tense. The last thing you have to remember about the U sound, that it is a long sound. So you have to prolong the U sound in word like U, 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 uống, vui, thu. Now let's try to say some words with the U sound. I'm gonna say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. First, the U at the beginning of the word. U. Ủ. Ủng. Ủa. Ủa. Úp. Uốn. Uống. Ui. Now the U sound at the middle of the word. Bún. Cún. Thủy. Nhung. Vui. Cuối. Cua. Chua. Chuối. Chuông. Now the U sound at the end of word. Cú. Tủ. Chú. Đu. Lu. Rú. Bù. Thu. Chiếu. Lúng túng. Vũ phu. Tủ cũ. Thu cuối. Quy lụy. Now let's try to say some sentences with many of the U sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Vũ mua tủ cũ. Now a little bit faster. Vũ mua tủ cũ. Now with a normal speed. Vũ mua tủ cũ. Chú Huy là người. Vũ phu. Now a little bit faster. Chú Huy là người vũ phu. Now with normal speed. Chú Huy là người vũ phu. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.